On this one, you use exterior angle of triangle to move the angles. Right? In this triangle CKG, this B, this E, so this is angle X. This angle X equals to B plus E, the reason is exterior angle of triangle. Why like that? I think I've learned it. 20, if this is 30, so you add up, this is 50. Something like that. And then A plus C, in this triangle, AC, add them up is this angle Y. So Y equals to A plus C, and the reason is the same. And if you add these two equations up, not these two equations, but S, Y, D, add them up in a triangle. X plus Y plus D will be 180 degree in the triangle KHJ. I write it back in triangle CHK. In triangle AEH, and then in triangle KEJ. So this goes to this, this goes to this, and this, and this. Angle sum of triangle. X is B plus E, Y is A plus C, and then plus D, and then it's 180 degrees. Okay, you already proved it. Okay, let's prove it. So write it back. Don't assume it is true in the first stage. Okay. MC. Lower limit, upper limit. So each time is 0.1 second. So 10 seconds, 10.0 seconds. The next one is 10.1. The last one is 9.9. So in the middle is 9.95 to 10.05 seconds. This one. These two expanded, you have this. Yeah, this is one way to calculate it. Another way is to the whole thing times x plus 4y first. That means I write like that. X minus 4y, x plus 4y minus 5. This time whole thing, not whole thing, but x plus 4y. And the x minus 4y times -5 times 5 minus, this is minus, and then this is 5. This one you're using an identity, or you can just expand it. X squared 4xy minus 4xy cancelled, and then negative 16y squared. Or you can just calculate a's. Actually this one is a minus b times a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared identity. So this x squared minus 4y bracket squared, and then minus 5x plus negative positive. Negative 5 times negative 4y is positive 20y, like that. So x squared minus 16y squared minus 5x plus 20y minus plus d. So be d. This is the identity. Find q. You better expand this. Pxx plus 1 minus 2x squared. Left hand side. Right hand side is qxx plus 3 minus 4x. Actually, just calculate here. I think it's better. But I want to show you this step. So right hand side also expand it. X squared terms, left hand side have 2 terms. Right hand side only this one. So p minus 2 bracket x squared correspond to qx squared. And then px correspond to 3q minus 4x. It goes to a simultaneous equation. P minus 2 equals q, and p equals 3q minus 4. How to do it? You want to find q, so you eliminate p. So these two equations, if you 1 minus 2, you do a minus. P minus p, nothing, and then negative 2 left here. Q minus negative 3q is negative 2q. And then q minus, no, nothing here. Q already minus 3q. Nothing minus -4. That means plus 4. Okay, so this term move to left hand side positive 2q. Negative 2 move to right hand side 2 plus 4, 6. So q will be 3. Q will be 3. So q is 3, p is 5, but you only find q. Which one is correct? This one you cannot cancel out. This one is not correct. This one, second one, you can do something. You can take a 3 out in the numerator. And then the whole bracket, you can cancel it, so it's 3. It's correct. This one the same. You can take 5, x plus 2y in the numerator. And denominator, you took a 2, x plus 2, x minus 2y, and then you do a... Yeah, so 2 and 3 are correct. If you know 2 is correct, then 2 and 3 is correct. Yeah, this is more challenging. Y is the subject. We're doing a paper. 2 for x equals to 1 minus 3 over y. Y is the subject. You can move this whole term to the left. And then this term will be to the right. 1 minus 2 for x. You can multiply all the terms by xy, 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 one method. Or change this to x over x. And then this minus 2 over x, so this x minus 2 over x, like that. Is one way. Another way is to here multiply all the things by xy. 3xy over y equals to 1 times xy minus 2xy over x. I think this is faster. It's because this 3x and this xy and this 2y. And then you can already take a y out, y subject, and then move to the left hand side. This 3x over x minus 2. Like that. So answer is A. Or here you use this method, you do cross multiplication, 3x use to y and the x minus 2. Actually it's only y here. You don't need to multiply there and then move this to there. And this one, which of the following must be true? So can we say it's parallel? This is a difficult question. This is 2x or 2y. I think there's not enough. It seems to have not enough information. But not sure. X is equal to y. I'm not sure, but there's must be one of them are correct. So let's take a look. So Z x this one is a straight angle, so this angle should be add together is 100. So we can say this one is A. First step. You don't prove it in MC, but I just show to you. First one should be correct. A equals C, because the vertically opposite angles, right? And A plus 2x is 180, because adjacent angles on straight line. So A is 180 minus 2x, same as this angle. A equals to angle CRH or APR. APR, because these are the same, they are 180 minus 2x, they are the same. So AP parallel CD, corresponding angles equal in the last step. This is correct, but I don't write in MC, okay? So then we know first is correct, then you have to check the second and the third. x plus 2y. X is equal to y. It seems there's no enough information. We just know that EZ is 180 minus 2x, and this is 2y, so this angle is 2y. Yeah, I skipped some step. So these three add together should be 180. So we know x plus 2y plus 180 minus 2x is 180. Adjacent angle on straight line. So 180 minus x plus 2y equals 180. Cancel out this 0. So x equals 2y, yeah. Correct? X plus 2y plus c is 180. Correct. Because I just show you. Because these two are parallel proven. Yeah, if there's no proof, it's not like that. Maybe I calculate one more parallel lines questions here. Number 8. Find x. Because these two lines are parallel, so I can calculate like this. 180 plus x is 180. The reason is interior angles, comma. No, you cannot find it like this. Because these two, you haven't proved it. You have to use this angle first. You have to find y and then use this to find out. 110 plus y is 180. Interior angles, AB parallel CE. So y is 70. Then 70 plus 30 plus x will be 180 because adjacent angles on straight line. Adjacent angles, I don't write all the things. So x is 130. Do I make mistake? 70 plus 30 plus 80. Okay, x is 80. So prove AB and FG are parallel. So you have to prove FG and CE parallel. Then if these two parallel, then these two parallel. So step by step, part B. You want to prove this. This is the last step, okay? First step, you prove these two parallel. So angle GFD plus angle FDE equals to 108 plus x. You add together. C radar is 180. You calculate it, so it's 180. So FG parallel CE, interior angles supplementary. Supplementary, that means add together is 180. Because AB parallel CE, it is given. And also, we know that FG parallel CE. So we can conclude that AB parallel FGE. Yeah, to the rest.